Have you ever wanted to make your web forms more user-friendly, but felt stuck trying to figure out how to display labels in a select field? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common question about displaying labels inside select elements in HTML. I completely understand your frustration. It can be really challenging when you can't find the right information, especially when you're trying to enhance your web design. Many developers have faced this issue, so you're definitely not alone. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked if it's possible to display a label line above the value in a select field, similar to the EXP month-year example shown in the image. If you've been wondering the same thing, stick around as we explore this together. So what's the deal with displaying labels in select fields? Unfortunately, HTML does not natively support this feature. However, there are creative workarounds that can help you achieve a similar effect. Let's break it down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I have a fantastic solution that will not only solve your problem, but also enhance your web forms significantly. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. To display a label above the value in a select field, the user can use a combination of HTML and CSS. First, they should create a container for the select element. Next, the user should style the label and select elements using CSS. This will help position the label above the select field and ensure it looks visually appealing. Now the user can add additional styling to enhance the appearance of the select field. This includes adjusting the border, padding, and background color. Finally, the user should test the implementation in a web browser to ensure the label appears correctly above the select field and that the styling is applied as intended. Fun fact, did you know that the first web forms were created in the early 1990s? They were basic and lacked many features we take for granted today. We've come a long way since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using a specific code snippet to achieve a label inside a select field. While it may not be exactly what you want, it offers a similar and more stylish approach. You can find the code on CodePen. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your forms simple and user-friendly. A well-structured form can significantly improve user experience and increase conversions. And there you have it. You now know how to display labels inside select fields using HTML and CSS. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more web design tricks.